You are standing at your kitchen sink. Open the cabinet underneath it. Count the bottles. I counted mine the night I came home from a farmhouse in rural Ohio. 11 bottles. Drain cleaner, dish soap, bleach spray, glass cleaner, wood polish, mold killer, grease cutter, tile scrub, fabric softener, rust remover, all-purpose spray. 11 bottles. $62 last year. And every single one of them runs out, gets replaced, and runs out again. I walked into that farmhouse kitchen in Ohio on a Tuesday afternoon. I asked the woman who lived there, a farmer named Dorothy Schlubach, if I could look under her sink. She said, "Go ahead." There was one jar, one single jar, a half-gallon of raw apple cider vinegar with a handwritten label that said April. She said that jar cost her $3 in April. She said it was still 3/4 full. She said it was the only cleaning product in her house. No bleach, no ammonia, no expiry date. I stood in her kitchen for a long time looking at that jar. I am going to show you exactly what Dorothy Schlubach does with it. I am going to show you the entry from a 1944 household chemistry bulletin published by the Ohio State Extension Service that documented raw apple cider vinegar as the primary cleaning, preserving, and medicinal agent in over 45,000 rural Ohio households. And I am going to show you why the American cleaning products industry, which generates over $50 billion every year, has spent 80 years making sure that jar stayed under Dorothy Schlubach's sink and never made it onto yours. This is not a food product. This is not a salad dressing ingredient. This is a 5% acetic acid solution that kills 94% of bacteria on contact, dissolves mineral deposits, cuts grease, neutralizes odors, preserves food, and treats skin infections. All from one $3 jar. The first time Dorothy showed me what she did with it, I thought she was exaggerating. She was not. Her kitchen surfaces were cleaner than mine. Her windows had no streaks. Her wooden cutting boards had no staining. And the mold that had been growing on the grout in her bathroom was gone. One jar, $3, since April. The American cleaning products industry quietly consolidated its control over household cleaning recommendations sometime around 1950. Before 1950, raw apple cider vinegar appeared in every household management guide published in America as the primary cleaning agent for surfaces, glass, mold, and mineral scale. After 1950, those references disappeared. Not because the vinegar stopped working, because Procter and Gamble, Clorox, and S.C. Johnson collectively spent over $200 million in the 1950s building the concept of the specialized cleaning product. One product for every surface, every problem, every room. The cleaning products industry today sells you 11 bottles where your grandmother kept one jar. That is not progress. That is a business model. Here is what the chemistry actually looks like. Raw apple cider vinegar contains between 5 and 6% acetic acid. Acetic acid at that concentration is lethal to 94% of household bacteria, including E. coli, Salmonella, and Listeria. It dissolves calcium carbonate, the mineral compound that forms limescale on faucets, shower heads, and kettles. It breaks the molecular bonds in grease and oil, lifting them from surfaces without leaving residue. It neutralizes alkaline odors, the kind that come from mold, mildew, animal waste, and rotting organic matter, through direct chemical reaction rather than masking them with fragrance. Think of it like this. Most commercial cleaning products either kill bacteria with harsh chemicals or mask odors with synthetic fragrance. Apple cider vinegar does both through chemistry that has been understood for 3,000 years, and that leaves no toxic residue on any surface. The 1944 Ohio State Bulletin documented all of it. Here is exactly how Dorothy Schlubach uses that one jar. Kitchen surfaces, undiluted, applied with a cloth, wiped clean. The acetic acid kills bacteria on contact and evaporates completely, leaving no residue and no smell after 60 seconds. Glass and windows, 1 part vinegar to 1 part water in a spray bottle. Applied with a cloth, wipe dry. No streaks, no ammonia smell, no blue liquid. Mineral scale on faucets and shower heads. Undiluted vinegar soaked in a cloth wrapped around the fixture for 30 minutes. The acetic acid dissolves the calcium carbonate completely. The scale falls away without scrubbing. Mold on grout and surfaces. Undiluted vinegar applied directly, left for 1 hour, wiped away. The 1944 bulletin documented a 91% reduction in mold surface area after a single application. Drain cleaning. Half a cup of baking soda poured into the drain, followed by half a cup of undiluted vinegar. The chemical reaction between the acid and the base produces a fizzing action that clears organic buildup from pipe walls. No drain cleaner, no harsh chemicals, no plumber. Fabric softener. Half a cup of vinegar added to the rinse cycle. The acetic acid neutralizes the alkaline soap residue left in fabric after washing, leaving clothes soft without synthetic fragrance coating. Now here is the part most people miss, and it extends the jar beyond cleaning entirely. Food preservation. The same acetic acid concentration that kills bacteria on surfaces kills bacteria in food. A solution of 1 part vinegar to 1 part water used as a produce wash extends the shelf life of fresh vegetables by 3 to 5 days beyond unwashed produce. Dorothy Schlabach washes every vegetable from her garden in a dilute vinegar solution before storing. She said she has not thrown away a vegetable from rot in 11 years. Wound treatment. Diluted to a 10% solution, 1 part vinegar to 9 parts water. Raw apple cider vinegar was the primary wound cleaning agent in American farmhouses before antiseptic products existed. The 1944 bulletin specifically documented its use for minor cuts, abrasions, and skin infections. The antimicrobial action of acetic acid at low concentration is gentle enough for skin and effective enough to prevent the surface infections that cause serious complications before antibiotics. Dorothy keeps a small bottle of 10% solution in her bathroom cabinet. She said it is the only thing that goes on a cut in her house. Why does the average American household spend $60 a year on cleaning products when one $3 jar does everything those products do, and does it without toxic residue, synthetic fragrance, or an expiry date? Why did the Ohio State Extension Service document raw apple cider vinegar as the primary household cleaning agent in 45,000 homes in 1944, and then quietly allow that documentation to disappear from public health recommendations by 1955? Why does the American cleaning products industry generate $50 billion every year selling specialized products for every surface and every problem, when the chemistry that handles all of them has been sitting in a $3 jar at every farm supply store in America for 300 years? You already know the answer. Dorothy Schlabach's jar did not fail. It was not replaced by something better. It was quietly made invisible at exactly the moment that $50 billion of annual revenue needed customers who had forgotten they had one jar that did everything. I do not know what brought you here today. Maybe you opened the cabinet under your sink recently and wondered why there were 11 bottles where your grandmother kept one. Maybe your grocery bill for cleaning products has been climbing and you started looking for a different answer. Maybe someone in your family used vinegar for everything and you half remembered it and started searching. Maybe you are building the kind of household that does not send $60 a year to an industry that sells you 11 solutions to one problem. It does not matter which one. $3, 1 jar, and the same 5% acetic acid solution that Dorothy Schlabach's grandmother kept under her sink in Ohio in 1944, and that has been doing everything those 11 bottles do ever since. Now you know what is in that jar. Now you know. See you next time. Next video, I am going to show you the one underground water system that every homestead in America had before municipal water existed. It collects, filters, and stores rainwater indefinitely, with no pump, no filter cartridge, and no monthly water bill. It costs $9 to build, and the EPA quietly made parts of it illegal to install in 11 states. See you then.